with Eric Richardson, who's just picking up his brand new Harley Davidson wrap. Eric, what do you think?
Unbelievable. It was yellow last time I saw it. It's amazing from start to finish, the idea, and then talking to Dale and working with that bunch. It's just, I can't believe it. It's 100 times better than I ever thought it would be.
It's awesome. It's really, really cool. Tell us what made you do the wrap the way you did it with the MIAs and the POWs.
I have a military background. I worked for the Department of Defense for years, and just the Wounded Warrior Project, I support that, and a lot of ties to military and stuff.
Great.
So
great.
I wanted to kind of give credit to that.
Very good. Well, it's a really touching wrap, and I hope you enjoy many years riding it.
Oh, I will.
Thanks
Trust
again,
me.
Eric.
Thank you.